बारबेल कर्ल आपके बाइसेप की बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज हो ही नहीं सकती।
Stop doing barbell curls. Barbell curls can kill all your gain.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
The science-based dial pencil neck incel virgin bandwagon demonizes the frickin' barbell bicep curl. But there was a cohort of natty lifters, the pre-steroid era, who had 18 plus inch arms, whose meat and potatoes was barbell bicep curls for behemoth bicep gains. How can an exercise be classified as non-optimal for bicep growth or bicep hypertrophy when people clearly have built massive freaking biceps by spamming barbell bicep curls? Kashish Gupta claims to have 20 plus inch arms, which was built through optimal exercises, optimal bicep workouts, which he copy pasted from ChatGPT. Just focus on his freaking forearms. They are kinda stick like, but his biceps look massive. Even Ronnie Coleman has got some serious competition in the form of Kashish Gupta, who's gonna break his freaking record for 8 freaking Mr. Olympias naturally. His bicep flex pics are kinda just a clear sign of Photoshop. Coming to natty Greek gods, the pre-steroid era. In the 1940s, John McWilliams had about 20-inch arms, built like a freaking tank who would eat all your babies and steal all your freaking girls. John Grimmick had 19.5-inch arms, a feat that Hush Conver cannot achieve even on steroids. Dr. Mike Israel faps to his arm poses and curves because he doesn't spam barbell bicep curls. Reg Park flaunting his 19-inch arms, something that Rohit Khatri dreams of despite losing his controversy spree to the muscle god Kashish frickin' Gutka. Marvin Wales and Steve Reeves had 18.5-inch arms, still smaller than Kashish Gupta's K2 Kanchenjunga like peaks, but worth to frickin' mention. Leroy Colbert was a natty bodybuilder who had built 21-inch arms drug-free. Truly goated and raising up the goddamn chat for real, no cap. If all natty bodybuilders the pre-steroid era could build massive biceps spamming barbell curls, why won't you? Or maybe you're coping and maybe you're brainwashed and gaslighted by tall pencil neck science-based gurus like Kashish Gupta and Harsh Kanwar, whose only flex is that they are 6 feet tall, a trait clearly inherited through genetics. Or maybe you consider Kashish Gupta and Harsh Kanwar as some peak natty bodybuilders in India, and that's number one frickin' bullshit. So do your goddamn barbell curls and build massive biceps. I mean bicep. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते